Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate you. You're welcome back. Today, I want to talk about how to make your catfish grow faster. In order for your catfish to grow faster, I have what I tagged as my top 5 magic booster you need to put in place in order for your catfish to grow faster. Number 1 on my list is feed. For the feed, you need to look into the quality of the feed you are giving your fishes. What do I mean by quality? Different stages of fishes requires different food content. But note, in all stages, protein is required because protein is essential for all stages of your fishes. Therefore, if you want your fishes to grow faster, you need to look at the protein level of your feeds. That is for quality. And for quantity, you also need to make sure you are giving the right quantity of feed to your fishes. Otherwise, you may end up having to rear a stunted growth catfish or whichever type of fishes you are having on your farm. So, as a recap, you need quantity as well as quality. You need the two at the right proportion. My second point, as a way for make your catfish grow faster, is dependent on the water. Water is life. If your water is bad, then your catfish will also have stunted growth. Irrespective of how expensive or how quality your feeds are, your fishes will still have stunted growth if you do not put this in place. So I advise you have proper water management. You need to check your water parameters, such as the pH of your water, and also you need to look at the oxygen level of your water. If your water is clean, yet it has little amount of oxygen in it, the feed conversion ratio will be minimal. Instead of you to feed your catfish at a ratio 1:1, you might end up losing or having a diminished or stunted growth. So you need to look at the water, because in the water, that same water is what your catfish will drink. The same thing they will defecate in. I hope you understand. So you also need to do that, as well as aeration. In my previous video, I spoke about aeration pump. I told you you can use aeration pump, otherwise called aerator. You can use it in your hatchery. The same thing is applicable for your grow out as well. So make sure the oxygen level in your pond is okay. As a recap to the video I made about aeration pump, I told you if you are using aeration pump will save you a lot on the fishes you are feeding your catfish. So let's now assume you are able to combine aeration pump to supply your water with enough oxygen, as well as quality feed. You might not even need quantity anymore, because you are going to have a bumper harvest. Let me not waste much time on that. The third information I'm going to give to you as a way out for you to have for your fishes to grow faster is that you do not need to listen to almost every Dick, and Harry. You do not need to have many mentors, especially in catfish business. Stick to limited numbers of mentors. Don't listen to what anybody wants to say. If you do that, your fishes will grow faster. Yes, I tell you. Because if you are listening to a lot of people, some people will tell you your fishes are not growing, whereas your fishes are growing. Some people will tell you introduce this, change this, whereas you're not supposed to change anything. So you have to note the type of people you listen to. Otherwise, listen to just few people or do your own research. And the fourth point on how to make your fishes grow faster is avoid misuse of medications. Avoid misuse of medication. If you misuse medication, just like in human being, misuse or what we call drug abuse can lead to stunted growth or eventually mortality. And if that happens, what's the result? Are you gaining? No. So avoid misuse of medication. Wherever you're supposed to use antibiotics, don't use vitamins. And wherever you are supposed to use vitamins, don't use antibiotics. If you are not so sure about what you use, it's better you call on your veterinary doctor or an expert. I hope that is understood. So if you are able to do that, then your fishes will grow very, very fast. In fact, something you are supposed to raise for 6 months, you might end up raising them for 4.5 months, and you will see results. Okay, and the fifth point is, that being said, before I give you the fifth point, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, ensure you subscribe to this channel, because on this channel, as you can see, you are going to derive a lot of values. So, and it's for free. I'm not collecting a dime. As at this moment, I'm not collecting a dime from you. So hit that red button now, and also you are going to see a notification bell beside that red button. Make sure you click on it as well so that you get notified anytime I upload newer videos. That being said, the fifth point is that you should be patient. You have to be patient. Don't rush. Everything happens according to its own time. When you were given birth to, you are not as tall as the way you are right now. The same thing goes for your livestock in general. But today I'm talking about catfish now. So you have to exercise patience. Otherwise, your fishes will not grow. Where you ought not to have used something, you might end up using it because of your lack of patience. So you have to be patient in order to see results. So guys, that being said, please, you have to stay safe. If you have not subscribed, just like I told you, you have to subscribe to my channel, because without you on my channel, we cannot build a community. If you are interested in getting aerator pumps, feel free to contact me. We have different sizes. We have those that are rechargeable and non-rechargeable. The prices varies. You just see in my DM and I will attend to you. That being said, bye for now. I love you.